Good afternoon. Well, my name is Aida. I will explain you about how rain is formed. My first two-thirds of our Earth contains water, and the rest is land. The water was stored in many containers, such as oceans, seas, rivers, and lakes. Well, water contained in different containers will experience evaporation with the head of the sun. Anyway, do not forget also that there is water in the rest of land soil surface. The process of evaporation of water from rain is called precipitation. Then the water vapor will upward vertical wind movement causes the clouds gather. Wind movement causes the clouds getting bigger and meteor overlapping vertically. Finally, made into the atmosphere clouds, the temperature is lower. This is where the weather droplets and ice begin to form. Gradually, the wind can no longer sprout the wake of clouds, and ultimately weather failed. Clouds that had experienced a fall of rain precipitation or processed water, hail, and so on to earth. Well, that is the rain. Thank you very much.